Guys, I just want to say a big shout out to everybody that's been supporting me and that's subscribed to the channel. Guys, we've done absolutely amazing. It's only been like 3 months. We're already on 500 subscribers. As I said, the only way is up. I hope you all enjoyed this bonus episode because it took me a lot to get me going there. I'll tell you that now, guys. It's absolutely amazing. And at the end of the day, it was one of the best experiences of my life. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And as I said, guys, let's talk more action. Let's jump into it. Let's go.
Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. No doubt in my mind, and my time will come. All I done was stick to the grind. Bro, got a dog parked off, it's willing to bark if it gets out of line. Am I lying? She wanna complain all the time. Goodbye, I deleted that bitch off my line. I'm on my job, I'm occupied, but I do a bit of this on the side. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back.
Okay guys, thanks for joining in on today's episode. Obviously we've just got to the border right now, Dover crossing, and literally it feels like we've been here forever. It feels like I've been driving for like literally half the journey. Obviously the journey hasn't even got started yet. I can't really believe it. This is really going to be a long drive. Okay guys, so yeah, literally as I said, we are on our way to Marbella right now. I'm feeling absolutely tired, I'm feeling exhausted already. As I said, it's about an 18-hour drive to get there. It's like 1,300 miles. It's gonna be an amazing drive, guys. Stay tuned in for it, this is not a joke.
One eternity later.
Oh, man. Alright, cool, so this guy took us the wrong way. We've got 18 hours left.
Looking at this time thing's making me feel sick, you know.
Bro, I'm really sick.
I got mad anxiety, bro.
What the fuck?
Man said 10, that's a whole...
I did not know it's going to take this long, bro. This is a joke. This is a joke. Okay guys, so right now we're in France. Just keep on taking the wrong turning due to some people's driving. But that's alright, that's alright. You know, you can't have it all, as they say. We've got 18 hours left. I said 18 hours left. But that's if we actually take the right turns for once. So we just got to see what happens next, guys. I don't know what I'm doing here. It's madness, guys. Stay tuned in. Done 1 hour, 17 hours to go. Basically feel like sick, disgusted, or shocked. I can't believe it's only been 1 hour and we've got 17 hours to go. Cut me a break, 17 hours. I've scored 1,268 miles, just put it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get some sleep before it's my goal to drive. Probably get that morning rush hour, unfortunately, but yeah, let's see, guys.
The next day.
Right now we're somewhere in France. I'm absolutely slumped. I just had a little nap, got my energy back, and it's soon to be my turn to drive. We still got like 13 hours of the journey left. I'm like literally, these lot drove through the night, sleeping through the night. When it hit to like 3 o'clock, that was me out, man. I was so tired, I had such a busy day. Okay guys, so unfortunately, it's my turn to drive. We've been on the road for like 10 hours right now, in cranky, and so these lads fighting over the one pillow we have. But as I said, guys, we got 12 hours left on the journey, and this A4 is absolutely amazing to drive. These roads in France are so great. It's so clear, it's nice, it's open, we got great weather, so you know what I mean, we're making the best of the journey. It's not that bad, to be fair. Hello guys, a quick update for you. Basically, I've done most of the journey. We've got a quarter of the way to go, which is about 500 miles, you know, so it is quite a lot. But as I said, it's been absolutely amazing. All we've been doing is cracking jokes in the car. It's been such a laugh. And I really advise you guys, if you don't want to go somewhere far on a holiday, you know, just book somewhere, you know, France or somewhere close that you can drive to. Get in a car with your lads and just go. It's such a joke. It's so fun, man. I'm literally having such a great time. And just check out the views, as I said. This is what makes these type of trips worth it. The views are absolutely amazing. So if you're wondering how much fuels cost us, it cost us around, let's say, just under 200, about 180, I would say. And right now we've covered about, let's say, about 7 to 800 miles. So yeah, it's not been too bad. And to be honest with you, when you're actually driving, it doesn't feel that long, but through the night it can be tiring. You just need that one friend that's willing to do the graveyard shift and it will be all right. I'll tell you that now. I drove the least so far, but trust me, these are definitely gonna make me, drive on my next shift. It's really starting to feel like a holiday now. I can say that the sun's really coming down on me.
Got the vibe just right, come alive at night, I'm on demon time. She don't trust, man, I got no reason to lie. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Little bit of this.
Nah, oh, him. Did you fart, Joey?
Mr. Popple's passport.
To take a ticket when you come from Sebastian.
Oh, guys, you've lost the ticket again. But we lost the ticket, we can't find it.
We're gonna have to reverse out.
No point in reversing that, we have to just sweet talk her.
Go on, Bam, then. I don't know what you're trying to tell me.
Hello? Hello?
You lot pattern, now we have to come back through it.
Oh, we have to come back through it again, oh my god! This is what happens when you take the wrong turn. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening, bro.
Bro, it's not me, I'm asking you lot where to go. No one's saying nothing.
Bro, I'm doing
the
all
one
this
that's driving.
shit, fam.
Bro,
Okay,
wait,
look.
left towards the left, yeah?
Says towards.
Alright.
Slow down, don't go fast.
Yeah, but yeah, just take it easy.
Yeah, take it easy, you don't know where you're going.
Bruv, we've been on 8 hours and 30 minutes for about an hour now.
It's to finish on 7, you have to get to 7:30 before you can.
How have I fucked you up when I'm asking you lot where to go?
You fuck. When I'm driving, you think I'm gonna be asking, I see where I'm going,
It's true.
I'm sweating, talking Spanish, fucking opening the windows.
That is true though. It's mad.
Take him out, trying to find a ticket that's not even there. Basically on the road we originally was on.
10 out of 10. The way that it's clapping, I'm fascinated. Matter of fact, I'm infatuated. Bend her back, she elasticated. Killed her pump, I'm assassinated. I'm activated. You got the vibe just right. Come alive at night, I'm on deep.
Hello guys, so another quick update for you. We've been on the road for another like 1 hour. We had to make 2 stops for petrol. So it's gone up to around 220 and we're also having problems because now we're getting to the more rural areas. These card machines are terrible, so make sure you bring euros out here if you're gonna have a road trip. You definitely need euros on you. We've only got like literally 3 more hours left, 3 more hours and a bit, so let's get through it. Hopefully we'll get there in one piece.
12 seconds later.
We got a ticket, how do you pay to go through?
We lost our ticket?
Yeah.
Toll problems.
They just spat it back out. Yeah, thank you, grazie. Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you, all the time, goodbye. I deleted that bitch off my line. I'm on my job, I'm occupied, but I do a bit of this on the side.
Yeah guys, I just had an absolutely lovely meal in this McDonald's. Now we need to get this car fueled up and get the 350 miles complete. But on another note, another cool fun fact is that we actually got this towel. We got a whole towel from McDonald's from €1. In the UK, you can't even get a towel from McDonald's. Here they sell towels, imagine what else they sell, amazing.
I drive, you just want to sleep. I go to sleep. Oh, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, so basically, this is now telling me to go to sleep. I wish I could go to sleep. Right, for 5 minutes, yeah, for 5 minutes. I've just got in, I'm doing the last stretch, but they expect me to do 4 hours. It's fun at the beginning, but now it's getting a bit jarring, if you know what I mean. but we march, we move, as they say, but we're not moving. It still says 100 miles on this same road. So yeah, I've been driving for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you know. Hopefully we see how it goes, guys. But right now it's not going smooth, really. I'm getting sick and tired of this driving. Well, but I'm not gonna lie, Joey, you did have the pillow for quite a while. You literally, yeah, you made the most of it. You put your face in that shit. I mean, you was breathing all in that pillow, snoring all over it, dribbling all over it.
I was drooling on it.
Cheers. Okay guys, so basically let me give you an update. Somebody has broken my microphone. Hey, I was driving them whilst they broke my microphone. So that, yeah, that's the life basically. We should be here within the next hour and 30 minutes, but my microphone could possibly be damaged, unfortunately. And nobody took liability for it. That's the best thing. I know who done it, Joey, but I don't want to say anything, can it? But it's cool.
Ooh. Say ooh.
Big shout out to Rob. He couldn't carry on the journey due to his glasses.
Fuck it, bruv, I can't see my contact lenses gone dry, fam.
One eternity later.
After 22 hours on the road, guys, we've made it. We finally made it.
Bam, 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 bam. Don't talk to me until tomorrow, fam. You really took me for a prick, you know?
Why?
Fam, you said you was gonna drive, bro.
You slept for 6
And you
hours,
slept-
fam.
Bro,
slept
you
for
just
6
left me to do everything.
Apparently I slept for 6 hours and left them to do
Tell your
everything.
subscribers, I'm Bam the Petrol head.
Oh, Joey's now Bam the Petrol head. He's stolen my position.
Yeah,
guys.
I am. He's Mr. Sleepyhead.
Oh,
We did that as well.
The next day.
Oh my God, guys. So we're here, it's now the next day and it's been a crazy drive. We really did enjoy it. No matter, even though we've been through so many pit stops, had to get petrol, so many problems along the journey. I can't believe we went through like around 15 tolls, I believe. So it was a lot, trust me. It did cost us quite a lot of money, but guess what? We got here in the end. Even though them hours were coming slower and slower, coming down slower and slower, we still done it and we're here, we're in Marbella and look at that view. You guys tell me that's not worth it. That drive was definitely worth it in my eyes, guys.
Let's see how you make that clap. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap.
The way that it's clapping, I'm fascinated. Matter of fact, I'm infatuated. Bend her back, she elasticated. Throw the pump, I'm assassinated. I'm activated.
You got the vibe just right, come alive at night, I'm on demon time. She don't trust man, I got no reason to lie. Four bad bees in a ride. Gotta squeeze them, it's a wee bit tight. Mostly female, the deceiving type. Take the peas and then go leave them guys. What you doing in the AM? You only ever holler in the evening times. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, can you keep it quiet? She wanna spend her day in her life with me and my guy, bring a friend for a friend. Short and sweet, she's 5'5" with the curly hair, she a 10 out of 10. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night.